Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post market report. Today, Nifty closes just above 24,600 and Sensex is down about 200 points, while Bank Nifty is down about 100 points. Nifty IT is up about 0.26 percentage. FMCG was the main dragger today, while metal IT shines. As we discussed in the pre-market report, Nifty today faced hurdle at 24,700 levels. Even though Nifty had a lower opening today, the Nifty able to go up as soon as the market opened. Today, Nifty traded only within the range of 125 points after a couple of week time. But even though the range was small, the market was volatile. Today, Nifty most of the time traded between the range of 24,620 24,645 levels. L&T, Wipro, SBI Life Insurance, BPCL and Tata Steel were some of the top gainers in Nifty today, while losers includes Tata Consumer, HUL, Tata Motors, Axis Bank and Nestle India. Today, FMCG and media were down about 2% each. Pharma, PSU banks, auto and energy down about 0.5% each, while metal index was up about 0.6% and capital goods added 1% higher. The BSE mid cap index was up about 0.3%, while the small cap index was up about 0.5%. Today, 1,357 companies were towards the advanced mode, while 1,191 companies were towards the decline mode in NSE. Seat, Anand Radhi, Chalet Hotels, Wipro and Larsen are some of the stocks which touch 52-week high today. Coming into the global markets, US markets Dow Jones future is now trading with slightly negative sentiments, while European markets bounces to 6-week high due to China stimulus optimism. The Asian markets are now with mixed sentiments. Coming into the commodities, Brent crude now trading at 17.96, crude oil is now at 68.12 and gold is at 2,658.26 US dollars per ounce. Tensions in the Syria is increasing the price of commodities. Now, stock in news. FMCG stocks due to demand slowdown concerns. FMCG stocks like Godrej Consumer, HUL, Dhaba and Marico fall 3 to 9%. Paytm today stock hits fresh 52-week high on board's decision to sell its stake in Japan's PayPay. Eastern Foods today stock locked in lower secured about 20% for the second day after SEBI's shock notice. Auto stocks, as per FDA reports on weak sales in November month, Tata Motors and Hyundai shares down about 1%. Seat today stock rallied about 10% due to the acquisition of the Camso by the company. Lloyds Metals today stock rallied to record high after INCRED initiates ad call and the agency sees 40% upside. Hyundai Motors India company to ramp up 600 EV infrastructure with fast charging stations over 7 years. Textile stocks like Gokaldas, Welspun, other textile stocks today jumped up to 14% due to Bangladesh Garments Group faces mounting troubles. Mark my India. Today stock rallies about 14% due to the company's decision to reverse its investment in new venture. Hope all you got the informations. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. Thanks for watching the video.